Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to learn a Java program to find the factorial of a number. So let's get started. First of all, open the VS Code editor. Now we have to create a file. So let's create it. The file name will be factorial.java. Now we have to import the scanner class to take user input. So let's import it. Import java.util.scanner. Now we have to create the main function. Public static void main, string arguments. Then this is the main body of the main method. Now we have to create the fact variable. That's value, initial value will be 1. Now we need to create the scanner object. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in semicolon. Now we have to print a line, so let's print it. System.out.println. Enter the number to find factorial. Then after semicolon. Now we need to take user input and store in a variable. So to do this, we create a type of variable named number, and then the value will be sc dot next int. The I of the next int will be capital. After this, what does this lines actually do? These lines take a user input by the scanner object and stores it in the variable number. Now we need to make a for loop, so let's create it. In the for loop we need to write int I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to number I plus plus, and start the body of the for loop. Now inside it we need to write fact is equal to fact into I. Then after this loop we need to write system.out.println the factorial of number of given number is plus fact. Then save the file and run it. What does this tells? Enter the number to find factorial. Let's enter number 4. Then press enter. The factorial of given number is 24. The answer is correct. The factorial of 4 is 24. So thanks for guys to watching this video. We will meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.